Ebi byabaho bw'abakuru ku rugo mu by'esente okuhereza embarira yabo y'omwaka 2023-2024 nikwe kugira ngu n'obukirabe kiringo nibateekateeka omushoro kweyongyera kuza ahari biriyooni 5.6 na miliyoni 14 hariho ezitarikurundanwa kandi zoona zarundanwa zikabaire niziba biriyooni 618 na miliyoni 92.
Target gye batuwadde zisuuka mu trillion 29 walimu obutundu buyitamu ate batugambye nti ne Ministry of Finance yenyini yatugambye nti tetujja kwongera tax rates, so amanyi tujja kuliteeka mu kwongera kunyweza ebituli revenue mwebadde yita twongera mu efficiency.
Zimwe hazirarundanwe miliyoni 500 niziza kurwanisa endwara ya COVID-19, miliyoni 500 ezindi niziza kuzanjaba amaka g'abakozi babo abarwire endwara ya siriimu ahabw'okuba za insurance ezibaine tiziri kukora aha bizibu ebi.
HIV and AIDS as an allocation of 500 million. The environment an allocation of 1 billion. And COVID-19 interventions at 500 million.
Ohireho ebyo ekitongore eki ni 9 miliyoni 500 zo kugura ebintu nka sanitizer, sabuni n'ebyokwekuumisa na container z'amaizi kandi nizija kwongyera omu kujanjaba abarwaire ba COVID-19 nk'okubakebera kandi bagaruka bashaba na biriyooni 1 kushomesa abakozi baabo okukuuma eby'obuhangwa.
Okwongerera ddala kye tubadde twebaziza aba members of parliament ne ba taxpayers bonna olukalala lwaffe olw'abawi b'omusolo olweyongedde. Omwaka oguwedde twali ku taxpayers miliyoni 1.7 kati tuli ku miliyoni 2.7 tweyongeddeko miliyoni 1.
Bitu bo bamwe mu banyeshenjero abari kushutama aha kakiiko aka bashaba ekitongore eki kwongyera aha mishahara y'abakozi ngu ahakuba nibakora kihango omu kushoroza emishoro egi.
Bearing in mind that you've said actually it has cost the government revenue foregone to the tune of 2.881 trillion. It cannot just go without mention. I have tried to analyze the lists, but I failed to get a lot of sense out of it.
Because you see, the discretionary expenditure has dropped from 25 to 22. That's the only thing we will be able to appropriate. So there is no new money coming from somewhere.
Honorable Minister, we need information from you. The custom tax of 8.4 trillion shillings, what do we need to do so that this becomes part of the domestic tax in order to raise jobs, to increase consumption, and what are the multiplier effects?
Akakiiko nikija kuvugana ebitongore ebindi nabyo biheye embarira yabyo nk'oku beteekateekire omwaka 2023-2024. Gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.